Hey, how's it going? My name is Blaine. I wanted to show you our new fuel pressure monitoring kit that we're going to offer for the boosted VHRs. This is a plug and play adapter, so you don't have to cut any of your OEM wiring harness. This plugs into the map sensor, and then this plugs into the passenger mass airflow sensor. This will plug into this. That'll allow you to monitor fuel pressure on your boosted VHR. If your car is NA, don't buy this. If you buy this, and if you install this, your car will not run. 100%, it will not run. Please don't buy it if you're NA. If you're boosted, this is for you. You need to be tuned on ECUTEK via speed density. Most boosted cars, if not all, are tuned on speed density. You do retain the intake air temp from the mass airflow sensors. So you can just plug this in to any ECUTEK car tuned on speed density. It won't work without a updated file from your tuner, but you can tune it in and the car should run and drive fine until you get that file. This is designed to work with our fuel return system. It won't work with a factory fuel system. A lot of the fuel return systems have similar ports, so it should work for other applications, but it's designed for ours, so the length may vary if you have a different one. If you have any questions about this or any other products we sell, feel free to reach out and check it out on z1motorsport.com.